in today's video, guys, let's talk about something new, okay? There will be a new feature in My Defi Pet that will come in the next day and 2 hours and 25 minutes, and it is called Hunting Center. So if you are interested of learning more about this, wherein you can earn DPet when you already have pets inside your game, then of course do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates, okay? So let's just jump right into it, okay? So Hunting Center is where you can send your pets to the hunt and they will collect food and DPet for you. So the maximum capacity for each pet is 50,000, and for DPet, of course, it is not specified. And while hunting, the pets will leave your farm for 30 days and unable to perform other activities. While your pets are hunting, you can harvest a DPet in the hunting tab anytime you want, and each pet is only able to hunt one time in their lifetime. They love to rest in the farm after that, and you can only send maximum of 10 pets to the hunt at the same time, okay? So let's now explain, okay? Let's say you have 30 pets or 50 pets above, okay? When you're going to send it here, you can only send up to maximum 10 pets, okay? And then after that, you need to wait for at least 30 days, and then you will be able to get these pets, and you will be putting it into the pet hotel, and now you can put another batch of 10 pets that you can put inside the hunting. So if you do have 30 pets like me, then probably it will take you 90 days for you to be able to get a lot of rewards and just get everything into this hunting mode right there, okay? So they're also explaining that this feature is in beta version, and we can't deny that we had some problems in terms of world boss. I think it has been deleted here. So there's a problem in world boss wherein people can't even enter the boss and they are just burning gas fees, okay? I'm just going to be really transparent into this part right here, guys. So I just really hope that this game or this coming feature will be a lot more better than the previous one, because I think there are a lot of people that are speaking negativity into this project right now, and we cannot deny that they are just still in what they call that, in beta version. So into the hunting version, okay, there are 3 buttons right here. This one is the information, which I just showed to you. These two is like, this is the pet, so it has the same logo with the food rather, and this is the DPet that you can be able to get after this hunting center finish, okay? So I guess the what do you call that, the staking stuff house has been removed and has been replaced by hunting center, wherein you will be able to like earn money from your DPets in no time, okay? So make sure to check this one out. It is on 1 day and 2 hours and 21 minutes, and so far so good. I didn't experience some rollbacks. I just really hope that this will be working well, and also I think there are a lot of lands that are not yet unlocked into this part right here, which is absolutely perfect, because we can see that there are still more to come into this game, although it is not yet revealed yet, okay? So that's how easy it is for you to be able to put it inside. So just wait for the next 1 day and 2 hours, and make sure that you maximize your pets. You also what do you call that, use every single silvers that you have, and also level up your characters so that you'll be able to get more what do you call that, more silver per hour, okay? So I'm not sure on this part right here. I guess this is more like a hunt, wherein once you've already put it into the hunt, you will be able to get 819 food per hour. So it's also same here. So just imagine if you are leveling up this kind of pets, really, okay? You are getting more food, okay? So make sure to not miss that one out, and also what do you call that? Take in mind that this is once in a lifetime into your pets, okay? So make sure to maximize it so that in the next 90 days, if you have 30 pets, you are now getting all of the rewards possible, and also you are now prepared for the upcoming My DeFi Pet game, which is also going to be released, I think, on October or November, okay? So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict. You're back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.